I really want to get to everybody on Instagram. So many people on Instagram. Okay. It's Sunny writes to us how to keep myself updated with continuous developments in the AI industry. We are learning ABC, but industry is asking is asking spelling bee. So that's a great way to put that. Great question. Okay. How to keep yourself updated. It's funny that you asked this because I actually have a YouTube coming up about this. And that is how I study white papers. And what I would tell you, Sonny, is it's dangerous to get caught up in keeping up with everything and trying all the new tools and reading all the white papers and all because you don't want to rush into using something that you don't fully understand. That's super dangerous, right? You want to avoid that as much as possible. So, what I would suggest to you is make sure that you're sticking with the tools that you know, the tools that you are confident in using, and then slowly work in new tools. So I talk about this in my video. I'll be releasing it soon. But for me, I use white papers on a macro level and on a micro level. On a macro level, I'm looking for trends and just to kind of see what's emerging. Or in some cases, I'll use it for how are multiple teams, different teams using the same technology. So like for example, when LSTM neural networks first came out, people knew they were great, but how do we use them? So reading white papers was really good for that because you could see, oh, this team did this team did this, oh, this other university did this. So just to so it helps you kind of understand the lay of the land, right? The second way I use it to kind of spot little things of creativity that different researchers are doing with the data.